Hey, so this is just an intro for the video for yesterday. We ended up going to Walmart for fishing stuff since fishing season's about to happen. I'm still kind of a noob to fishing. I was only ever taught the basics. This is just a Walmart trip for that. We had some small issues with people trying to get close to my dog, and I'm gonna cut out a big chunk of it because it's just us standing there waiting for our fishing license. It's boring and I don't want to, make you guys watch 20 minutes of just standing there talking about weird shit, so. There's gonna be small cuts because of just standing around and literally nothing happening. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy. He was moody yesterday, because the trip was yesterday. He was a little bit moody because I made him practice 2 days in a row, but service dogs aren't perfect. They're gonna have days where they're a little bit moody, they're a little bit, not listening, and he was still a behaved service animal. He was just a little stubborn with tasks. There was one point where a guy turned around, came up to us, asked if he bit, and asked what kind of breed of dog he was. And Poseidon looked around, but recorrected it, right away. He only looked behind him to see the guy after he was talking to us, so that's really all that happened. As you'll see, I did kissy noises, recorrected him right away. Sorry, my video cut out. Anyway, I'm running out of space, so that's the intro for this one. Hope you guys enjoy.
But I like the sinkers better. They're easier to make rigs with.
What are these? They look like fish skeletons.
Those are jig heads, so you slip your swim baits onto them.
They look cool.
That's kind of the point. I'm gonna go with the 1.5 ouncer.
What else do we need to grab?
I was just coming up here to look at the rocks, like the actual rocks.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. I stepped on your foot. Good thing you're wearing shoes.
Absolutely no sense. Like just a single rod or like a reel for the jerks too. It's even worse.
Fishing is expensive and confusing.
No way, I just what's a crappie or not. Power Pro braid is good, but that shit's expensive. Spider wires.
Didn't realize that my video had stopped recording.
Huh?
I said I didn't realize that my video had stopped recording.
Good thing I'm not talking like this.
It's recording now. What would you use glow sticks for?
Night fishing, so you can see your line. I also have a couple of these bobbers here for night fishing, catfish.
I can't drink. We're in Walmart. Shut up.
Seaguar 1.0. Sorry, I'm gonna end this soon. As I said, everything prepping is very, very, very extensive.
Yeah, you do you.
Huh?
You do you, I'll pay.
What's your price range for one?
I don't know. What's the price online? What's the most expensive?
Well, if you're looking for, it depends, are you going to be putting
Line on what?
or you're going to be putting on both your rods?
Is the line that comes with the new pole good or no?
It's alright.
For river?
Usually when I do river, I run braid.
It's $10. You can grab one of those.
Hmm?
You can grab one of those and then one for my other line. my other pole.
So is this gonna probably go with 15 since they're the same price, just as a reassurance. So 10-pound braid's gonna.
Good boy.
Although 10-pound braid can handle up to like 30-pound fish, you just want to make sure if you actually hook a fish that big, you don't have to keep losing it. I don't want to use it now at the moment because that's the stuff that dreams.
That's the stuff that's already on it that's been creating rat's nests in my line.
And then the curly cues and shit. Yeah. Floral carbon. This where the fuck is the floral carbon? That ain't like Tepex. Mono. Everything's gonna be mono. Huh, fluorocarbon. Do you have anything a little smaller? Oh? Let's get a price check on this because I do not.
I'm not sure if it's $1 or.
I do not think that's
$3?
Where it belongs. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, you have the Walmart app. That's convenient.
Yes, it is. Berkeley Vanish is really clear, so they don't see it. I've used it before for trout line when I didn't have white line. Oh, hell no.
What?
Oh, hell no.
How much is it?
You don't want to see it.
More than 10.
These belong down there.
Oh, God. $20?
Yeah.
Why? Get the $12 one. Screw it. Just get the $12.
Only comes with 200 and some yards.
Oh.
It's okay. Okay.
Did you grab bait for the pond that I fish at? Or did you forget about that?
Do you still have those fake fish?
Yeah.
Those will work in that pond.
That's why I was asking if you grabbed any while we were over there. If not, we can circle back. Because we have to get my fishing license anyway.
Everything is always monofilament. Like, it is straight up the ocean.
I can't hear you.
It's like they don't even carry fucking monofilament anymore, you know? Like, you know what I mean.
I can't hear anything you're saying. I'm hard of hearing.
That's fine. I'm sitting here bitching at myself.
Good boy. Good Poseidon. I think skipping the wheelchair was a bad idea.
I know.
My feet are starting to hurt. And my knees are like giving out. I mean, it wasn't anxiety. It was just me moving my feet because my feet hurt, buddy. But good boy. Maybe make sure your tail doesn't get run over. Good. Good boy. Good.
Yeah, just get the Berkeley Vanish.
What?
The $11 one. Get the 8-pound.
That one?
Pull the one you. Yeah, that's 8-pound. That'll do up at least the button rod. You know, the button cast.
Yeah, my other pole.
Huh?
My other pole.
Yeah. And then will take this line off and put that line on.
Good
Forewarning.
boy.
Braid line's gonna look a lot smaller on your bail. Don't be alarmed. It compacts, so it doesn't look like it's hanging all the way out.
Okay.
So it'll look like it's not fully spooled.
So we need to grab bait for the pond. Because I don't know what works in that pond. I told you what's in it. There's some other fish in there too. I don't know what they're called.
I used to buy these things.
What?
It's a rod sock. You slip your combo in it.
Oh.
It's like putting a condom on there.
I hope my video couldn't hear that. I mean, it's labeled, my videos are labeled not for kids, but still. Good boy. Good. Yes, good boy. Good focus. Good. And good circle. Don't. Bad. You were just being good boy. Why would you ram into the cabin, huh?
So if you really want to fish pond and catch bass,
Well, there's bluegill and there's those striped fish in there and a bunch of other fish in there
there's
too.
different baits for specific fish. Bluegill, the best thing you do is a line bobber
Good boy.
and worms. Live bait.
I've used live bait in the pond, but things usually don't bite. Or maybe it's just because I'm hooking my hook on there.
Probably how you're hooking them up. You gotta present them better.
I'll take you whenever we go to the pond that I like to go to, and you can tell me what I'm doing wrong.
Don't worry about buying any of this stuff. The box that I have over these things is full of stuff.
Okay. You have a bucket, right? If we catch stuff we want to keep in the river.
Oh, if you just want to keep stuff that in the river, I'll show you some of these fish are bigger than the bucket.
Because, like I said, when we go in the river fishing, Ed wants me to bring back some fish sometimes, so. Good boy. Good block. Good. Good ignore.
What kind of dog is that?
He's a lab.
White?
No. Please don't pet him. He's a service animal.
You keep those on?
Ignore. Thank you.
Sorry.
Is there still a line for your fishing license? Is there still a line for license? Not as bad. Good. Good boy. Sometimes people bother me and say he's a service dog and they approach to pet. That was a good recorrection though, buddy. You went to go look at him and then you recorrected it. Good boy. And you even know I was doing it. If I get live bait now, will it go bad if I keep it in the freezer? Yeah.
They'll die. They don't eat dead worms.
Don't worms hibernate?
Hmm?
Don't worms hibernate?
They get too cold, they'll die.
Brandon to Sporting Goods, please.
So
Brandon
it's
to
usually
Sporting
best
Goods.
to buy
Thank
them
you.
the day of when you're fishing.
I mean, I've bought like 2 tubs of the redfish before. I mean, the red worms before, and kept it in my fridge and fished like every other week, and they were alive.
Use the brothers, Canadian crawlers.
Huh?
Alive. You want to make sure they're alive.
I can't hear you.
You want to make sure they're alive when you buy them.
Can I get all available associates to
I've never used crawlers. I've used red worms.
These ones are very
all
alive.
bus caps too. Thank you.
Good boy. I've only ever used red worms, not crawlers. I wouldn't know how to hook that. You'd have to teach me.
Right.
And crawlers is bugs, right? Like maggots and stuff. Huh?
Oh no.
No?
Like crawlers are just bigger worms.
Bigger worms?
Yeah.
Maybe that's what my issue is. I'm using just red worms.
The red worms are small.
Maybe that's why they're not biting. Whoa.
I think the line's starting over there.
Is it? I don't know where the line is.
What's his date of birth?
Maybe we should ask somebody where the line starts.
I'm making one.
Yeah.
Spinnerbait's just a big version of the thing I got, the Mepsigila.
What would you use those for?
They say use them for bass and such, but they don't really work that good. I've had better luck on the smaller spinners. I never caught
Those look like
anything
they'd be better in bigger lakes and oceans and stuff.
nice. Some people have luck with them in ponds, but that's rare you'll hit anything. They're more than likely you're just scared to fish with it.
So you have something to put the fish in if we keep it?
Or grab something.
Huh?
Stringer. Just looking for the gills. You can just rack them, carry the rope.
You're gonna have to teach. Saddle.
But yeah, stringers are your best friend keeping fish.
You're gonna have to teach me.
That's fine. That was $1.48 for something like that, yeah. It was $1 and something.
I'm gonna ask them where the line starts.
They're waiting on something, so I'm waiting behind them.
Would I get yelled at if I sat down?
No. Question is, can you get back up?
No.
You're just slamming with the cart.
I was. You took the card away.
I was just moving because everybody's trying to continue to,
Pile up over here.
yeah.
Nobody knows where the line is. Good boy.
Too, man. They got that thing up to their shoulder.
I regret not grabbing the red shirt. Why are you apologizing? My dumb ass said I didn't want it.
So it's just a holiday here to shoot it.
No. Except my old shrimp looks way better than these new ones. It's kind of sad.
Yeah, kind of.
But the prices is about the same. My old one was $400.
Oh, really?
So.
Because I was half debating on buying that one in the end, and that's the most expensive one in here.
This one? Yeah, this is pretty much what I got.
349.
Yes, this is the bike I got, except not green. That's why I want it
I
fixed.
should have opted and paid the extra because mine was 300.
That's why I want it fixed though, because that bike was fucking expensive, and it's built for like where we
Except for
live.
The only difference is this one's got the paddle shifters, not the twist shifters.
Yeah, it's built a little different, but that is the one I got. I got the most expensive one.
Thinking about it now, I should have got that, but I was just so enticed by those street tires.
Those probably aren't gonna do you any good. Those probably aren't gonna do you any good.
Well, it doesn't feel like I don't feel a bunch of rumble.
I don't mind that, and not for the reasons you would think.
Hey, I could have got a BMX bike, so then we can just stop on things.
The bike I have now is pretty much a BMX bike. Back. Oh. Douchebags.
Fucking dick.
Shut up.
Oh,
Shut up. I gotta go to find food.
Alright, so where are we going now?
Don't make fun of me. I'm gonna go up by the cash registers to buy a small soda or something.
So we're going up front.
Yeah. Would you mind going in front of me? I hate it when people are behind me. You're fine. Would you mind going in front of me? I feel nervous with people behind me. I forgot there were restrooms back here. I thought they were only at front.
After this thing, we're trying to get you guys back into the aisle because it smacked the damn thing on the floor. That's why I said what I said.
I know. I said douchebags. Walmart's the hangout since we don't have a mall. It's for all the teens.
And I said love over here.
I am not a confrontational person.
I am.
So that's why whenever I see fake service dogs in Walmart, I just avoid them and I don't tell security.
I'm a very confrontational
Because I'm like,
person. I'm fighting about it.
I feel bad though, because other YouTubers will actually go up to people and be like, is that a service dog? And try to teach them. And I'm just over here being too scared to do that shit. You know what I mean? They're like, they try to educate people nicely. They're like, is that a service animal? They're like, no, it's an ESA. And they try to tell them ESAs aren't allowed at Walmart. And I'm just over here, keep your pet away from my dog. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna avoid confrontation. You know what I mean? I've run into fakes in our Walmart a lot. It's bleach. We're by the cleaning stuff. It's bleach. Huh? Cut through. Sign with me. Good boy. Sorry. With me. When I say with me, he looks at me and he doesn't realize that you're there. He does the same thing to Ed. He'll accidentally ram into people.
Oh boy. $1 pants.
We gotta go get a water bottle or something. Ooh, Naruto.
Akatsuki.
It's still Naruto.
I know, but it's Akatsuki. Definitely look at douchebag now.
Wait, how much is that hat?
It's 11. I'm buying it. $11.90.
I was expecting it to be like 20. Wait, are there any other animes aside from Dragon Ball?
They have Hunter x Hunter.
Ooh, where?
Ain't that?
Broccoli Boy.
Where's that? It even comes with a free Crunchyroll tag on it.
How much is it?
Same price.
This is My Hero Academia, not Hunter x Hunter.
I'm sorry. I don't watch certain things. I thought it was Hunter x Hunter.
No, this is My Hero, and this is Broccoli Boy.
I've never watched that.
We call him Broccoli Boy because his head looks like a broccoli. Anyway.
There you go.
What's this one?
You gotta embrace your family name.
I don't know. I found out they're not step family. They owe me a horse.
And they need to let me have this help. You're putting up with your shit for 2 years.
My shit. Because you do. You were mean in high school.
Yeah, I don't know how I got put up with it. Oh, there's your shirt.
What? What's that?
Permanently tired.
What?
Permanently tired.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, no.
Oh, actually, I have that shirt. Kirsten bought it for me for my birthday.
I actually own the one.
Ooh,
that says,
Pikachu.
Don't rush me, I'm waiting for the last minute.
Pikachu!
I'm curious if this is on fire.
Hey, I like this one. What? Is there a medium? XL.
So are you getting that hat?
Yeah.
Okay.
I also want this shirt, but I can only find a small.
Well, what do you wear?
Medium.
Medium?
I fit smalls, but I don't like the texture because of autism. Can you help me find a medium? This one doesn't say. Is this a medium or small? Large, extra large, extra large,
Found my shirt.
extra large. This one doesn't say if it's a large, medium, or small.
You're not allowed to peek at it.
What?
It says you were right, this small.
Good. I fit small. I just hate the feeling of it being
Small.
close to my skin. This one?
Medium.
Sweet. That one. It's probably the only medium in there.
As I said, I'm buying a shirt. I'm buying a pair to peek at.
Ooh, Demon Slayer.
Okay, let's go.
What?
I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna go broke. I had the wallet.
I want it.
You can literally get the wallet at like Spencer's.
I want the sweatpants.
They have the sweatshirt that goes with it too.
Oh my god, they do. If only we're black.
It's gonna be like $43 to get the complete set.
Instead of just putting it together. No, you gotta buy them separate. Good luck.
I'm looking at socks.
You're the one that taught me about anime. Why do I know more anime than you now?
Because I stopped watching it.
Ooh, did you watch Angels of Death yet?
No.
Dang it. We got. Ooh. Naruto. Kevin, you should leave before I buy a lot of shirts.
Hey, I already have both those shirts.
What ones?
I'm Naruto, and I'm Nirmala.
I tried listening to them, and they're just not my style. But I like their clothing, like that they make for their band. So I don't want to. I want to get it, but if I wear it, I'm gonna be a fake because I don't listen to them.
I listen to them.
Well, what am I supposed to do? I don't like their music, but I like their clothing. And if I wear their clothing, I'm a fake. What do I do about that? Huh?
I
You don't know. Eh,
Ooh, Sublime.
what's that?
I used to get Sublime on Sublime.
Good to know. Good, leaf music. Creative minds.
Oh, it says in there in this hall. We gotta get you one.
Actually, that company that uses the puzzle pieces is bad. We don't like them. Please don't associate with them. They'll say things about the autistic community that aren't true. They're not good people. Don't associate with the puzzle piece people. If you want to support autism, there's a better company. I'm sorry, but they anger me.
I don't know.
Google it. They anger me.
Okay, I don't know what's going on.
Oh, tiaras. They're shiny. They're shiny. They sparkle and shimmer and shine. They must be mine. And you want? Why are they expensive? Probably only wear it for cosplay anyway.
Wear it once.
I don't even know what one would look good on me. Oh wait, I probably have an allergic reaction to all of those. But why are you taking me down the shiny aisle?
Because I can.
You know this isn't gonna end well.
Shiny sanitizer holders.
I like the shiny black one better. Yeah. Jack Skeleton!
Oh, then don't look here.
I don't even know what I'd use it for, but I want it. Oh, a service dog ID. Good point. Ed's gonna hate me.
I'm not a good investment advisor.
You are not.
Well, let's get out of here.
We need to get food though. Or you mean out of the shiny section? God, English work. Shiny section. Oh, ew. Ew. Never put those on again. Don't do it! Come on. We need to find out how much. Okay. Put them on again. That was supposed to work the opposite way. God damn, when we're together, both of our chaotic sides come out. But are we chaotic neutral or chaotic evil? So, right, you don't know D&D. Never mind. You're not a nerd. It's okay, it's nerd talk. Ooh.
No, you're nice.
What? I don't know, I haven't seen that version of Talkies yet. So, I'll wait here. Can you take this to self-checkout and see how much food stamps I get? If you want the chips, you can get the chips.
I do not want the chips.
You want the chips. You know you shouldn't have the chips.
I don't need the chips.
Wait, they're non-spicy. Never mind.
Yeah, it's gonna want to put it back because I like the explosion because it's just like that, but it's spicy.
The best part of Takis is that they're spicy. Why would they make a non-spicy kind? Oh well, it's better.
For all the crybaby.
I'm gonna wait here with the dog if you would take the food stamps. The code for it is just... Yeah, I couldn't remember anything else. Oh, it's behind my ID. I want to know where he's at. Where did he Houdini to this time? Good boy. Slide and ignore. Thank you. Come. Thank you. Good boy.
No. No.
Good boy.
We need to reorganize this card.
You even got a little coochie.
Yeah. I'm running low on creep and people keep distracting him.
Not really. We need to. I'm buying those 2 shirts. As I said, also, you're not welcome again.
But why? Walmart doesn't sell anything inappropriate. What are they? You think I'm gonna make fun of you? Because I won't.
No, it's not that.
I'm gonna see when we get back to my house.
Yeah, that's the point. You're gonna see when you get back to the house.
You want to surprise me? I get it.
It's a twinsy thing.
Twinsy.
You have a shirt, I have a shirt.
Okay. What is it like? I'm with stupid. Damn it.
I wish I had the picture. If only, right? If only.
Walking feels better than standing. What did it say on the receipt? How much food stamps I have left?
It says you have $61.82.
Okay.
$61.82.
Okay, so we're only going to be able to get one thing. We need to go to the pickles.
You need to go to the pickles.
Yes. And we're not buying pickles this time, we're buying pickled vegetables. Ignore. Good boy. Good boy. Why are you saying sorry? I was telling him to ignore the ladies.
No, because the guy was
Oh. You were saying sorry to him.
Wait a minute. I got a pickle.
Huh?
Leave that to them.
What? We're not buying pickles. We're buying something else over there.
You didn't get the joke.
No, because I can't hear you.
Sorry. Come here.
What?
Here it is. This is wait a minute. Motherfucker, we're gonna buy pickles. I got a pickle.
No. 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 You want to do that again? Where's the pickle stuff at?
Pickled stuff.
Yeah, whatever.
Places.
Like, where the pickles? I'm so sorry.
It's in room 6. Down here.
And you're... He's still in the stage of the head lead where he tries to rub his face on everything, so I'm sorry about that.
That's fine. Got the cart.
It is not as bad as it
I ain't
used to
going
be.
down that easy.
You should have seen it when I first got it. It was way worse than what it is now.
Probably, yeah.
Oh my god, they're $4. Oh my god.
That's your attempt to shatter it.
Why am I the one doing this?
Okay.
Is that the only one?
Cucumber chips. What were you looking for?
More of those. The hot ones. Quit it. I think they're in the back, but I can't see in the back.
Pepperoni?
No. Back up.
Is it this thing?
Yes, that. I was gonna grab it. I want more of those. I was planning to just grab a bunch of jars of it, but I don't see any more. Oh my god, I'm blind. Let's go. Let's go, boy.
I already told you. Like, calm your ass down.
They're my favorite thing to snack on the diet, so. The one jar is gone in a day. Wait, you're keeping track of the price, right?
No. Okay, now the buckets have calories. Give me vegetables have calories.
Not these. Here you
Insane. Alright, calm down. Calm down.
go. I told you I wanted to grab a bunch of these.
$25 in snacks.
Hey, at least they're healthy, calorie-free snacks. Aw, this is the last jar. Like, actually, there's nothing behind it.
$30. That's half of the budget of whatever you're
Oops, sorry, son. I was trying to put it on my head. So, since there's no more of those,
You just never mind what I'm doing here,
he wants me to grab a loaf of bread. He said other pickled goods. Did you drop it on him too?
bro. Yes. I give up.
He likes the pickled jalapeno peppers. Can you grab some of those from the back?
Pickled jalapeno peppers.
They're right back here. God damn. I'm so sorry, Simon. This is the third time. Oh shit. I'm glad there was a wall here.
Dude, why would I do that when those are healthy?
And he likes the full ones though.
These are pepperoncinis.
Oh.
And this is just cold pepper. Those are hummus. And these are just this.
Grab one of those, I guess. I don't know if he'll eat it. We'll see. He likes pickled olives. They got pickled olives? Our car's in the way.
It's okay. Yeah,
I don't see pickled olives. I see normal olives. Are those pickled olives?
Better.
What?
Jalapeno stuffed olives.
You might like those actually. How many calories are they?
10 calories per serving.
Oh yeah, he'll eat those.
So should we grab these?
Yeah, I don't know if he'll like them though, so let's just grab one and see if he likes it.
But it's almost $6 per jar.
Yeah, we're only grabbing one right now. Let's grab these. And then he wants bread.
So
I want chipped pickles because he keeps eating my chipped pickles.
5, 10, 15, 20,
Settle.
30,
Ugh,
35?
that was $4. It's $4.
4.
Wait a minute. Is this a bigger jar for the same price?
Yeah.
Switch. Hurry, I'm gonna drop it.
Hold on here.
But
Wait a minute.
look, it's the same price.
Wait a minute.
Stop it, knees. That is the second time I had to balance myself instead of falling on my face.
Yeah.
That's stupid. Why do you have a
Three.
smaller jar for the same price? Together with tax, they're both gonna come to $4.
How much was this little fellow? Wait a minute. You found another one? Or no? So 5, 10, 15.
Let's just grab a loaf of bread. We should be good.
Ready.
And go check out.
Christina,
Having a stroke.
it is now your last break.
I think we're good.
Cashier Christina,
Wonder how much you make with this.
last break.
I'm worth nothing. Don't bitch slap me.
I will. Bitch slap you with one.
Did somebody drop milk here? Or bleach?
I'm not asking why.
Or did somebody... The bread's over here. love that you know my jokes without me having to finish them.
That's why I said I'm not asking about it.
With me. I'm pretty sure this is the kind of bread he gets. He yells at me for getting the blue one. Great. Oh, we're done. Alright, we're gonna check out now. I can't stand any longer.
So make sure you don't get the heartburn.
What? You can't get heartburn from bread.
I said I'm making sure you ain't getting the hard bread.
Oh,
Some other one makes it longer.
I can't stand any longer. So, we're good here.
I'll tell you what fish you're
It's fine. Why are they talking about Mr. Popper's penguins?
Huh?
Do you hear them? They're shouting Mr. Popper's penguins and he's going, hey. What is wrong with our Walmart staff? They're either weirdos like them or Karens. Uh-oh.
Huh?
Uh-oh. You know the Achilles tendon in the back of your heel?
Yeah.
I can feel mine just going rock hard right now. It hurts.
Stop it.
Huh?
I said stop it.
Stop it. And he's yes, queen. There's something wrong with us.
Probably.
Yeah, I don't like doing self-checkout.
You don't do self-checkout?
I don't like to, but if you want to. It's easier because we're split paying if we go to cash.
Okay.
Over
Well,
here.
if you go to this one, you can't say anything. It's all cousin.
That one?
Here.
Your cousin. Okay.
I used to work in a Walmart. You know,
Okay.
technically.
You don't work at Walmart anymore, though. How? Why aren't you telling me there's things in my way? Either of you.